This is Puerto Duchess. I'm here with Beatriz, working for Strand Properties in Malaga. And we're looking around at the apartments. And the lights in here is just going to be amazing. So let's have a look.
So we are here in the ground floor level. We are in the middle of the interior patio. It will be a communal interior patio. This is the patio that is in charge of bringing a lot of light to the rest of the apartments. This ground floor apartment, it also have another interior patio that brings a lot of light to the apartment on the first level and on the second level. Historical feeling, old style mixed with the modern style. Were you expecting this light coming in through the patio? Imagine just have a piece of art in front of your apartment. You can see it every day.